Welcome to Auto Minute, where today I'll show you how to quickly wire a dash cam on your Subaru BRZ. First things first, the items we'll need for the installation: a screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, power adapter by Dongle Technologies, and a dash cam. The one I'm using here is a Garmin, but feel free to use whichever USB powered dash cam you like. Inside the car, we have a plastic shroud above us. There's a few moving parts here, so let me just show you how to tackle those. I'm going to pop the panel off here first with my pry tool, going from the side, and the rest just comes off easy. Behind this, we'll see two screws securing the upper panel in place. This is where our trusty screwdriver comes in. Once we have these two removed, let's use our pry tool again and pop this panel off. Be sure to use the same locations as seen here for easy removal. The panel won't drop down when disconnected. This is because there are other connections still attached. You can disconnect this if you like, but I don't find it necessary for this task. What we are focusing on is this little guy up here. Let's bring out our dongle adapter and connect it to this port. Now let's connect the USB harness to this one. Okay, before we do anything else, let's just turn on the vehicle and make sure that our unit is receiving power. The blue LED means we're good to go. The USB module has an adhesive on one side. I'm going to peel this off and stick it onto the rearview mirror mount. This part is preference, so feel free to stick it wherever you want. Next, I'll go ahead and tuck the cables away and reassemble the plastic shroud above. All I have left to do now is hook up my dash cam and I'm ready to roll. Before I wrap this up, there are a couple of things I want to mention about this setup. Number 1. Your dash cam will power on and off with the vehicle. This means data is captured when the vehicle is in motion. So if you're looking for parking mode or 24/7 surveillance, you're better off with a hardwired kit. Number 2. Most dash cams don't come packaged with an SD card, so you might want to pick one up or at least check to make sure whatever dash cam you're getting does come with it. Number 3. This is a one-time setup, so you don't need to be concerned about formatting your SD card every 2 to 3 weeks. These things can run months and months on end without any hiccups. The only time you might want to consider clearing or formatting your SD card is if you experience issues with footage being captured. And number 4, if you found this helpful, please consider hitting the like button or subscribing. Otherwise, thanks for watching and drive safe, y'all. Peace.